Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you. Today, we're talking about Divi Mobile and how we preview this Divi Mobile menus on our websites from our desktop computers. Yep, we're going to look at mobile sites on the desktop. Now, we already know that Divi has some pretty dodgy mobile preview views. We can see desktop here, we can go to tablet here, and then we can go to the phone. But in reality, you just get a phone view, a tablet view, and it's got some devices in there ready for you. But did you know that Chrome already has something built in there for you? Today, we're going to take a look at that to make sure that your Divi mobile menus are working the way you intend them to. So let's go take a look right now. Alrighty, so here we are. We're on the front end of our Divi WooCommerce site. This is an example where we're using BodyCommerce also, but I don't need you to worry about that. We've got Divi Mobile installed, so we want to preview that Divi Mobile menu. The way that we're going to be doing this is we right-click anywhere on the page, and then we're going to go to Inspect. From Inspect, you'll see a bunch of stuff going on there. Don't worry about that too much. The important thing here is this icon up here that kind of looks like a mobile phone and a tablet. Click on that, and immediately you are transported to the mobile view. When you click on the menu, you can see this beautiful menu that we built with Divi Mobile, and we can close it back out and it will show you all the changes live. Now, also what you can see up here, you can select the type of device that you're using. You can even edit it and add additional ones. So if you wanted to see what it looks like on a Surface Duo, bam, there you go. You can even put in some custom dimensions right there, and then you can do additional things like throttle it a little bit and do other types of debugging activities. It's really a great way, not just for Divi Mobile, but also for any type of Divi site that you're building where you want to preview your website and your mobile menu, if that is what you want to do, from Chrome natively. So that is pretty cool stuff, guys. So that was a pretty quick tip for you guys today. Guys, if you are not yet using Divi Mobile to create beautiful mobile menus for your Divi site, what are you doing? Get out there, check the link in the description, and check it out. So why don't you hit that like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our future quick tips. Now, guys, we're going to be releasing some more quick tips real soon. So this has been Roby with the Divi Engine team. I'm going to catch you guys in the next quick tip real soon. Bye for now.